checking out SML YTP. Chef PP retires. We already have Chef PP quits, but guess he's retiring now. Let's dive right on in.
Hard work does pay off, people.
I mean, that is true. It does.
I barely even have 75
You work.
cents.
Oh, jeez.
That is wallet.
Okay, guys.
He probably has only 75 cents.
You know what? Screw those guys. What do you want, Cody?
What? Looks like that worked.
That's so funny.
Oh.
I hate my job. I quit. Breaking news.
Breaking
Monkey has
news.
just robbed a jewelry store and got away with $200 million. The police are asking for someone to help. Fuck you.
Oh, so Chef PP's gonna be the officer
All you
now.
gotta do is walk up to the jewelry store, pull the gun out, point it to their head, and say, "Loser!"
Yeah, it'd be a definitely plot twist if Chef PP was the monkey, you know?
Chef Baby!
Chef baby! Chef baby!
Chef Baby! Where are you? Hey, it's me! Chef Baby! I'm a fucking millionaire.
Oh, jeez.
You know what? Yeah, come on! Oh,
Oh,
Chef Baby,
jeez.
this is the last time you'll ever see this house. You know what? I hate this house.
Yeah.
Oh, Chef Pee-Pee, I miss you! This is the best day of my life.
What?
Hello?
Oh, it's the maid.
You're so cute.
Is that a receding hairline? Damn, she's gorgeous.
Wow! No, Julia or Bowser! I'm in paradise! Oh my god, this is wonderful!
Oh, yeah.
Junior, dinner is ready.
Oh, there she is, my hot little mamacita.
Oh man,
What?
I can't wait to eat!
That looks delicious
Why doesn't
as
everyone
fuck.
hire these people?
Don't be silly, everybody does hire these people. We live in America.
Awesome!
Yeah. Whether it's Canada or the US, it's great.
Oh man, I can't wait to...
Oh my god, that's a lot of money.
Breaking news! A chef has jumped off of a bridge after he gambled all of his life savings away.
Aw, I wonder what Chef is doing right now.
Junior,
He's dead.
You're so cute.
Oh, yeah.
Why don't you come over here? I teach you a thing or two.
Okay.
Ah! Yeah, but Junior got that W Riz though. Hey guys, click on this video. You'll enjoy it. I swear.